enye obi adia rose gold ne tie DL kasia bom ese kutu ese bebam
DL News.
Yamamo akwapa efitumlike neshia yen ewo Facebook no so na face YouTube na yemfa kasebo no echiri mankasa ensamom yehya kasebo na se emfafiri Ghana mampanin John drama di mama make say yem papa apa eye PET scan facility hontoma eno no ewo ye Swedish Ghana Medical Center won prima tembe boapa na o my Ghana pomuden ya matumi akonkan ede amayen Omampeni decided to jamla na opadwumadi hontoma na Ghana mampeni echirem say pempen so ye dress o man no ena ye kwayanim abefo kwanso obi kwayere sabia emfire behwehwe ni paduam ehunu se ni osimesi yade se na ha no o ha se na wani paduam no edum pempen so na yade apina no yenya ho akade na so meka say abenya boa mene yensa kan the state of the art eye PET scan facility beboa pam na o man Ghana toto na pomuden etimi akonkanem o mampeni echirem say sesi ameke say upa bi man atoye fam ha say ya Ghana pa se akare yensa ka no beboa pam ye de ho so a ye ntu kwan enkwa mono ne se osimesi yade we de akire ne so nti no yemfa nkoma abrofo no dapi emfiri yensa ka beboa ye pa ma yenso adwumade ye di o mamu ha no ne ma konkane edi amayem Ghana mampeni echirem say yemfa nto Ghana fo anim say Sam fide yensa kan sesi ameke say West African Sub-Sahara region ne de ye de kan obi ani bi yankuto ne ye wo bi enti ya pomuden ho sensem de sesi de o mampeni obo adwuma ye pa mene e konkane o mampeni chirem de sesi no oguso obo adwuma de ahwe ma o my Ghana de hia pomuden etimi akonkane Ghana mampeni se yemfa ntum nim sem eye mahama kai dwumade sonko de apa no yade be ye krankro yade ne nyina no saa yare sabia na sabia sonko we no ukwa hono ma wade beka eye mahama kai project na wokama enti yade na kware kwahwe pomuden ma ka pre untua na abia fa wokan ne matumi akonkan edi amawo o mampeni chirem sei dwumade be boa pa na o man Ghana ni papi bibia konkan edi amawo odin sem sei etudwa.
It is not merely the unveiling of a machine, it marks the beginning of a new chapter in Ghana's healthcare journey, one that is anchored in innovation, accessibility, scientific advancement, and renewed hope for our people. This facility marks a significant step forward in our collective effort to modernize healthcare delivery and ensure that Ghanaians have access to world-class medical diagnostics right here at home. Ladies and gentlemen, a PET scan represents one of the most advanced frontiers in modern medicine. While conventional imaging technologies enable us to view the structure of the human body, PET technology goes several steps further by helping medical professionals understand how the body functions at the cellular and metabolic levels. This center could not have come at a better time. The treatment and diagnosis of cancer can be very expensive. Many families are impoverished when a member of the family is afflicted by cancer. The establishment of the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, also known as Mahama Care, aligns perfectly with the operationalization of SGMC and the PET scan we're commissioning today. This facility will be registered under the Mahama Care Fund as one of the recognized oncology centers for the treatment of cancer patients. And so cancer patients who come here for treatment will be covered under the Ghana Medical Trust Fund.
106.9 DLFM 106.9
Ne kwakra mo no ana Ghana mampeni eto ne kasa so ere wo kirem se yemfa nto Ghana de hyenim se aban ensaka bosia 300 million US dollars or the babeboa pawei every World Bank nchen or the beboa na senior high schools pode adonu mo magani mo mo de be page ne dibre mu akonkan pa ma na ye krabehwe eno wa chenso a kyerɛkyerɛfo ebinya babi fo mutintuna ba beboa pa obesi dan kama me babi di mutirato na mahwe mo fire so mene ye mo fana brabo etimi akono magana de suan sensem so na me akonkan mampane kyem se ya kese no double track session no be ye fro no na boa ni nyina be hia danti busian beboa mo sisi adan pi na school sensem no ne makonkan edi amaye.
government has secured a $300 million facility from the World Bank to upgrade 50 senior high schools nationwide under the title Transformative Secondary Education, Transformation for Access, Results, and Relevance for Jobs Initiative. The acronym is STAR-J, STARR, and then -J. Under this project, 30 Category C senior high schools will be upgraded to Category B. 20 Category B schools will be upgraded to Category A. This strategic investment is not simply about expanding infrastructure, it is fundamentally about promoting equity, improving quality, and widening opportunities for every Ghanaian child. The STAR-J project will also operationalize the Community Day School concept. New E-blocks are going to be built in urban and peri-urban communities. These are going to be community day schools, but they're going to be built in urban communities where it is easy for the children to commute to school and back. So what this means is that if we get some of the children to go to school within their communities, it will ease the pressure on the boarding schools that are elsewhere.
Any auti ye Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama.
Yentwa Kasiabone Sonia Daswa Ejno Mampeni Ensensem Swa Nagana Mampeni John Dramani Mahama Edi Atuja Muse Eya Dia Mobile Base Regional Hospitals Miensan Ewo Eya Amante Mahodwa Omote Ye Enche Ye Nakopim Se Mfimpi Mienu ni Aduonu Watwe Ebe kwa ewie ye ne de na chese omatimi esi ayaresabia no awie na we eka eye aban no hyehye ye omohye se ne ebe ye ombehwe sapomudi ho nsem so no ebetimi akoso ewo man ni mu na okasa ewo abro mo commission pet scan facility ewo Sweden Ghana Medical Center eye Ghana National Association of Teachers for na operate ye eye Endra Wukuo eye kotoni mabosom ne de tosudu miensa ewo mfimpi mienu ni aduonu nsia yimu ana mampani John Dramani Mahama chema hyehye ye fire resabia ni hu nyina no ade a omahyaase edada na pescan yi ade a omo aye se ne be ye betimi aboa na hwe nipa honam akwamu ene ye nkwamu anina mu se ne be ya ombetimi hu se bia obi anya cancer na se akomemu yare a na kyese omatimi hu kwan ombefa so a ombetimi aso anon no mampani John Dramani Mahama esanso ekasai echemu se eyamantama hodo aka nina no mode hyehye pegu akwemu esanse omonso project ahodo no mbeye bi ede amawom na okase bio no se omudi scan so ede ahye ye medical services ahodo nim asese ombesi laboratories nso ede amakolebu eye teaching hospital sanso ana konfanoche eye teaching hospital ene tamale teaching hospital asa eye laboratory na edin a ododo na different ye cat labs no anomo beye ede amawom se ne beye omso betimi ahye mukina na ebase we so mo ye treatment ahodo ni na etimi aboa na oman Ghana so yapomude ho nsem etimi akoye.
Government is investing in improving the quality of healthcare for our people. We have commenced the procurement processes for the construction of 3 new regional hospitals in 3 of the newly created regions to improve healthcare outcomes for the people who live there. And by the end of 2028, we'll provide 3 more regional hospitals for the remaining 3 new regions. We recently procured 3 new catheterization laboratories, popularly called CAT labs, for Kolebu Teaching Hospital, for Konfanoche Teaching Hospital, and for Tamale Teaching Hospital. These labs will improve the diagnosis and treatment of cardiovascular conditions in the south, center, and northern parts of our country. At the Tamale Teaching Hospital, we're also building a new cardiothoracic center to save heart disease patients from traveling all the way to Kumasi and Accra to seek treatment. The Volta Regional Hospital and the Cape Coast Hospital will also have new cardio centers built to cater for patients in the eastern and western parts of our country.
Ene ya uti ye Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama.
Yan toa kasebon so na yemfie ni fankyere o my Ghana ya sante mantameka sei asante hene otumufo se tutu a otaso emienu edensem atoye kyerem sei National House of Chiefs wanu ni tumi say wombetimi esehene namom eye traditional councils pe na wombetimi esi wahene asante hene otumufo se tutu den say to jamra make say no eye parliamentary select committee on chieftaincy and religious affairs in penifoko hia no e wo menhia himfie na asante hene eden sem de to dwa na mna sante hene otumfo se toto so mienu one committee no ekasa na okire mi se odekokobọ edebo amanyofo titiriw ene National House of Chiefs ni ma bi amoye no edu ba bi ha dwen mo amoye ahemfo mpanifo o mai moda ahemfo nyina no edu pempen so na moda amanyosem homa edura mo wedie ho chese ne aban bi ba na mudi na chief frat chese de ne ma enye ni amiam fram masem na moye okire ma enye wo enye akura sabe wo yo ohene popo a o men ye bude de yesef de mawo na wudi ohene chi wudi o mampani achi ade ade a okire ma enye o mampani ya ade bia ya monka ne mama nya amanyosem enye campaign emfa mampani eba ne se enye fan kram asante ni kirem sei obesre parliament eye wo committee o mate o hwa hensem ene esomje so sei obesre wo mate o mamade amadwumade na mo hwere mu hu sei National House of Chiefs foi omoni tumi bia so mbesi ohene anaso betu ohene bia efise tumi no ne nyina ewo traditional council mpanifo ensem
National House of Chiefs about one ye boya I am right it will be the benya it will be MPP when the benya is the council of chiefs there na abuka and why deep sea check the mama men kind of burning you say this I'm going to reverend and so say hey nada jo mo chance mo fan and I hear man so say jo me tie me present will be able to say you present and jo e wo hoda na me ne bi ani asebia jo so me fatu me no me ni ba jo ni ni ani bi ya jo na se pasa me ma ba ni me fa ba ni me ye ma jo e ya mani ni amabra ni no ko ni ye jo so ka se bro ni bro ha so ni na na we sa shante o bi e ni na na ya sa na ya jo constitution na po constitution customary
na eno wachi ena sante hene otumufo osetutu a otoso mienu esande afutuo ede ema omaika na ahemfo ose wasere mu ada yede na mu kire bia na eja omampani bi aba na ohene bi pempunto onukrum na wakobuto omampani na ase omampani oswafo osimesi mahwebadwani abana musini yesrew yemputu dwuma yato aba monte be ye adwuma mayen asante hini kirem sei ohene nya wadwuma nie dabi na wo mampeni anaso osoafo anase bese bedwani anaba na musini yato aba ma we no yade Ghana tumi ahya wonsa ema omanyi ujejeto sika na wunya no yene yato aba no ma wo no yene se ode ye adwuma pa ne hoto yen ni senti enye ohene asade se wokobuto o mampeni anaso osoafo bi na ase kopa ne cho sei o menye mputu dwuma fi sei sa nipa kro no ne kwaji tumi no onim pefese na sede ntia se amanyofo mo so masede no moye mo hini bia nkopa o mampeni anase o pani bi cho sei o menye mputu dwuma mfa manifise je wono masede visa ba no yetoma wono
ya anya de sa ye be kamba na really experience na minister ba ko sa nema ajemo ko da o
DLFM 106.9
Jo then as minister so question wa bra won wa to aba man say and to when that discussions at the point of the secretary to see who's the person in the way jo say after I say the way somebody going was say and jo to aba man na le ye ko say jo no ni si share no see who's the person professor kan ya o be ye go and so na to I mean to other man and they were back who was said in the president whether we was scout them jo Ghana mai ene bi ache mo no shi se tra mai ye pa wo na yo so ka se aha ko so na so ko za ko se en na ye ko ya mo position for ni na mo ya ko na ma akwesa jo
ne kwakura mo no ana sante hene otumfo osetutu a otoso mienu ede afuto ema omaika na manyofo osere obesere mu ada sa hensem a mode mo ho farefarem ede mo huregure mu no eka homa na nsen omaiga na hensem hu sensem ayesa hwene mu hwe agye nsere pene peteku ha adwen de senti obesere we ya meyonia koso ya manyosem ne gyan ahensem na na matre nkunwa fi se honom wonom na mo hwe ho enye wadwuma mo ka ho nene omanyi mu masotwe efa ahensem ho aye bebre
jo is a portal which and portal Joe. Man, see the person. Now, money and your mouth will be over in the Joe. It did not cry. I guess. Joe. I know. I know my gun. I'm also saying about to give me a prayer money. Joe. Can you tell me to politics of Chicago is coming again and go back? Joe. Yes, I need to go to the Joe. What someone said, to be given and give you what is for you. And their party politics in the Bernard Junior. When I'm not going to be having more session. Joe. I've got a question with the message. And yeah, I can't scratch and Joe. No, so Joe. Never mind, he was on nature. Oh, and my grandma politics.
Any I would ye a Santahene Otumufo or say to Tua or Tosso Emino.
Yentwa Kasiabone so na Enkani Speaker of Parliament Enkani so no noa ana yamra shebedwani edema eye kwabenya abatom pesuane so eye Aaron Mike okwe akasa echemu se Ghana for ye natural resources no awasi yankasa ya jeni edidi dwuma sa na ebe betimi abo my Ghana esan se eye contract ahodro aye sign no oman no enya mfaso bia emfa emfri so na okasa ewa bra omudi nkomo omuhie mu omudi nkomo afa eyetakwa minds Goldfields for anasese omudi so abra mu ye ayiye eye press conference ewo nkranpipni mansam hanom endra wukuo kotoni mabo so mini de toso eyedu miensa ana professor okwe ekasa ana ochemu se Ghana for we se edumre wo se yebo ye homodian se yenso ye natural resources eni ajapade oman ne wonu yankasa so ne yebetimi abo ho ban se koba se o ma sign agreement bi ana contract bi a expire hwe no bi anko renew esan so oman nankasa kra ye hwe se ne yesikasem esifatia na wo se yankasa no yetimi hwe se natural resources yebetimi abo ho ban na timi apeska edi ama oman Ghana na we ana okasa na ochemu social Libya fo a mo so no e sign a contract na be ya nka betimi aboa eye omoman no na Ghana mpodi yeti yesan se contract ahodo ya sign ni na no ebe wieye enu ntina bai emomodian na omo hwese natural resources ne so no onfen koma amanfoforo bia so nipa sa omra mehwe so na emom Ghana fo ankasa ni yenso yetimi enyamfaso ewo so no ochema Ghana ye wo gold ye bauxite ye manganese anso na diamond ni lithium oil so ye wo bi pa ewo manyi mu na emom kopem south o manga ne yankasa no ye behwe eye japade ne so na nya ade a Ghana sika sem betimi akoso ye esan sa woko sign contract na de man for so no mo ba enya ade a Ghana sika sem be koso ye mfa so de fitim no mo sign a contract Ghana fo nya so mfa so da even 10% kro mo ka ho asem no enya ade a Ghana fo enya so emfa so nti o mo hwe anim se contract yo ma sign se expire enya ade a on be renew contract no ebio.
Governments are renegotiating contracts which are still valid. Even there, people succeed in doing so. In Libya, in the Middle East, contracts were renegotiated at the sole instance of the owners of the raw material, and they succeeded. In our case, we are even in a better position. There will be no renegotiation. The lease, the contract will expire April of next year, just a few months to go. The question is, should we bring them back to operate that which we know is our lifeblood? The answer is no, and it must be clearly no, because now we are in the era of the nations owning their property. Ladies and gentlemen, we know the state of our economy. Every regime in Ghana since the NLC, which took power in 1966, has gone to the IMF. So when we are talking about this, it is not the military, it is not the NPP, it is not the NDC, everybody is also inside. The basic factor is the fact that we just don't have enough resources to fulfill our national obligations. So we should ask ourselves, what do we have? The Industrial Revolution, we're not part of it. The ICT, the knowledge revolution of today, we are not part of it. We too, what are we part of? or we shouldn't ask that question. How can we also be okay? We shouldn't ask. What we have is our gold, diamond, bauxite, manganese, lithium, and so on, and oil, and so on and so forth. So the way we have dealt with these natural resources
DLFM.
determined the situation we are in today.
And yeah, would see a Enquiries Speaker of Parliament, Aaron Michael Okwe.
Yan to akasebon so e ne yemfie ne fanchire mu ewo MPP osino kokukama yokuna ka chediam Mika say Frankatuni edema eye New Patriotic Party MPP Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia edensem dia tudwe chirim sem obesre emebuna wonom ewo MPP yokuna ka chese wamanyira wo ho ema adwumade no mwase be ya won betumi ede MPP yokuno asan beji tumi ebedi o my Ghana so yankopon ya atoma emfempe mienu ne de no watwe abatonum Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia ne said to dwamra omokohia eyesia pound o my Ghana mu wonom school fo na kandifo a wonom nyinada ewo MPP amanyuku no akache Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia chirim se wonom yentete abia mebunu nya dwunim kwa do mbefa so a won betuma nim de aboaboa mebunu do na no ede MPP amanyuku se yankopon ya atoma emfempe mienu de no watwe abatomu no won betumi edimu enkonem Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia chirim se o wani sum se hihye pa amanyokode gwa akwan kopɔ ya atoma emfempe mienu ne de no watwe de kianeke MPP esan beje o man tumi asanso edisu biom o kirema sese no anamampa mutuo ne nyina ne se won betumi aboa pa ena o mane o man Ghana eye suapan hodo a eyebeka ne se ye tertiary student confederacy of the New Patriotic Party Tescon ko no be hia o man Ghana jezene suapan hodo nyinam campus ne nyinam no ma yen chacha de ma wonom monyere mo ho monko ase honom montwetwe mo frɛ no mo kɔ school ni nyina mebu ni nyina omatu emra ombeto aba no momfo mo nyina mra MPP amanyoko ni camp omaye Tescon members na beboa se be ya 2028 abato no be fofofo o kire ma wei omomfa ni agro enye gidigidi na mo wani so se adwumaden betumi de amanyoko no asan abegye tumi wo man mu bio
Tescon But a huge thank you very much. This is I'm Pat Mitiasiapa. This is a great evening to herald the training program that you are going to go through in the next few days. MPP, we believe in the youth, and Dr. Bawumia believes in the youth. I want you to be assured that this training program is for your benefit, because we want the youth to take key leadership positions, and we cannot get you into key leadership positions if we don't prepare you for the uptake of these leadership positions. And that is why this training program is going to take place over the next 2 to 3 days. 2028, inshallah, it is going to happen in 2028. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. And we are going to work towards it. We are not going to sit down and say it will happen, but we are going to work. And that is why we are beginning the work early. And the training is to make sure that when we are in government, you will be able to occupy key leadership positions in this country. And that is where we are going to. The youth will take over the key positions as we move forward in this country. You know that the votes is largely youth dominated. 2028, as was in 2024, will be a youth dominated election. And that is why we are going to really make a lot more effort with Tescon this time around than we did in 2024. You are about 115 institutions who are here, and you will see me on a lot of campuses this year, next year, and 2028.
Na nekwa mu na Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia echirema na nsen ene ehunehuna pa ekoso editia MPP amanyokuru man yade a agense mukura ne senti ode ato MPP amanyokuru nanum se munya gidie mo bia nsuro enya ade a NDC aban betumete mfa hodie so ehunahuna manyuko ni sebe ya tumi a ete omane yakopon ya atoma emfempem ye nadu no wotwe no omonsan kada bibia ne ho a ebetumi esi wonom eho kwan.
We will take the debate, the ideas to the country, and we will make our case. We are, however, saying that we will not be intimidated. You can arrest all of us. We will come back and make it our case to the people of Ghana. And so I want all of you to come together as we are doing to make sure that in 2028 MPP comes back. We have a lot more to say, but I want to thank all of you tonight for making it here, and I ask you to enjoy the training and to learn a lot from it. May God bless you all. It is possible in 2028. Thank you very much.
Any awoti ye ono ona waje frankatuni edema MPP osono kokrokrama yokonidin Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Baumia. Yantu akase wono so ene yemfe yani mfanchire o Ghana ye finfi mantam dem fisansam no ebi wo hopam bi wo ho na ohene foforo a de hia mo mankron kwanta mo nsaka ne na onoma amwako ababi otoso num na kire me se no oguso apo adwumaden aboabo sika no na ode abo se be ya omo chip compound ahodo mpote ho no wombetimi awie waguna is eye mensenem na kire me se mfinhia pode be ensiantamu ni ena wonom chip compound na yaresabia mperefo so musie no wonom ato na jeje mu o kire menne kyese okwa yaresabia ne hodom a kyese ne yanyasem kuma president no nyina project enti wombesi ni nyina foforo no maye ne kama no de akoto aban mpenifo anim ni mensen assembly nanim se obesra wonom ada empotem hodom womenya ba bi Enquires yaresabia o kyese wombetwa kwanya kwa chiri kyese no makwa yaresabia ne senti saachi compound project na abana da bi hyase no omampeni meboa na wonwie sebe yebeboa pam na de champote hodom so womapo mudin betumi akonkan o kire me sei Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama mo sere wada enhwe entenase ma chip compound no ense kwa wo mra de hye mo akura east enim potem womapo mudin enkokan na kire me sei omampeni o sere wada wucheoni beboa wonum na yasabia no said yekono omuhia pa
you come have problems and one of your problems because ultimately na hospital enim ti me buy no I think say so am we no the first Monday no itu an mo ko hwe clinic no na esiwo for over 4 and 6 years, right? 6 years na hwe nim ti a fair contractor na obey sabe no say no be asese wo so yes so ba be sandos na dade pese omuntu sana mo no essence ados me betwa koma DC na assembly no na me provide no man na starter yedwuma okay ya ehia pa
ene ya wuti yei ono ena abowura mu ewo Ghana chese aguna is mensin mu a ono yo hene popo edema adehia wonom ewo mankron enkwanta nana onoma amwako ababiewa otosunum ena wote ne nkan na no achi ena santwerefo ena adehia wonom ewo mankron kwanta wa aguna is mensin mu fifi mantem mu kire central region wale mu kire misa yaresabia no in fact omu hia pa every same enipa akodo mo mpotem hodom no sa yade ka wonom a wombetwa na mo akwa chirichichi na nsempo ba kuna ne yam ka sa enam se o mantumi afana nkopie mu yaresabia ntemti ofirimu eba ne sara mo kwada semti de adroyi o mbesra ban ne mensi no momode mo na mo che compound no empenifo nsi ne tentem ene wo hare so efama wonom.
There's just recently we lost one of our ladies, our beautiful woman. He just got a stomach ache at Media Hospital. Before he get there, she has already left a hospital here. We'll have rushed her. The time the distance from Nkwanta to Swedro, within that time she lost her life. But if it's the night, and the lady that I'm talking about, it happened at night. She got a stomach ache, but she has already lost her life. So it's a very dangerous and delicate issue for us.
Any chip compound ni hia de hia wonom ewo aguna east mensenem ewo finfi mentem mekire mankron enkwanta adehie eni awoti yei eya de hia wonom ewo mankron enkwanta ewo finfi mentem
Yantua Kasiabone so niembonremu ewa santimantem man na DC edema Manchester Central eyo nyonyamfo Emmanuel Oben Agyemai akɔhwɛ ama nneɛma ahodoɔ ne sika ahodoɔ mo de kɔma ɔmo ɔmɛdi dɛm ɛwɔ ne mpɔtam mu no sɛ bibia ebetimi akɔso na dwumadie no ɛkɔ so ɛndra wukuo ɛwɔ mo district assembly court hɔnom na yɛade a wei ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ɔmo de baayɛ ɛwɔ mfimpi mmienu ne aduonu num ne mu sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo so ɔmo ayɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ no ɔmo nso nsa betimi akɔma no na ɔmo atena yɛn so no akɔkama ɛtimi ɛde ama wɔm na bra dwumadie no ɛkɔso no nyonyamfo Obin Agyeman ɛkasa ana oche mu sɛ afi we wo hwa na kyerɛ nipa ɔmayɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔnom no ɔmo kɔ anim yie paa ɛsan sɛ afi atwa mu no na ɔmo yɛ aduonu na so sɛ de ɔmo yɛ aduanan baako a kyerɛ sɛ ohwɛ mu afi we de ɔmo akɔsoro yie papa na sika bɛyɛ 244,500 Ghana cedis ana ɔmo yi free disability fund nim a DC kyerɛ ma we ni sika kɛse ɔmo atimi ɛyi free ɛyɛ fan ni mad na kyerɛ na bibia ɛkɔso yesan sa aban ne hyɛbɔ so ɔbɛhwɛ so no so betimi ahyɛ fan ni mu kenan na kyerɛ sa aban ɛbɔ ne homɔden yie paa sɛ wɔtae ɔmo akyi ama ɔmo nso ɔmayɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ mo mpɔtam mu no ɔmo nso atena ayɛ ebetimi akɔso yie ɛde ama wɔm na nneɛma ahodoɔ ɔmo de kɔma wɔm ɛyɛ yɛdi freezers sanso na refrigerators ahodoɔ ɔmo betimi ɛde ayɛ cold store sanso na industrial sewing machine a ɔmo nso ɔmo yɛ fashion designers ne nso no ebetimi ɛde ayɛ adwuma ɔmo san so ɛde sika ɛde ma wɔm sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo so no ebetimi ahyɛ adwuma ketewa bi ase ɛbɛboa wɔm na ɔmo nsa ɛtimi akɔma no na ochiema ohwe eye mfimpi mienu ni aduonu num eye disability fund na ene sene eboa ye ema omucheche omu medical bills eboa ose obi koye surgery crampo na enu amu ana omu yisika enso edi so masinto omu da abanya se so no so eboa sane ebe omu so amaye mre ewo mpotem honom na omu so tena ye ene omasitene mu ebetimi akoye
who be done say afibia ansana ben beba power no ne ye che niam ade but na nipa kakra bi ne timi nya bi ana na niam no so munye du se de afi ye no se de monim no aban ne hyebo se ye ba ye disabled community ne be twa ne ya hwe mo yi pa aya mo incentives be free education ye form ho kanyina up to university level and several other policies ye de target say ye be left you mo na ye treat you mo preferentially and also be enama a disability fund abana page sika or the tum kese pa yehu bi da and for the first time Amasa Central District instead of previous year nipa 18 na ye boa omo no 2025 ye ba mo first year ye boa nipa 43 sika ye involved to the tune of 244,500. We've never had such a huge amount in the disability fund to support the disabled. Young disabled ni being so caregivers sani from so teacher be challenge with their eyesight ya no mo be out physically disabled so sorry so they have caregivers who take care of them almost also out with some of the money they been so medical bills and there's one disabled person or prosthesis wabro so I didn't call surgery.
DLFM 106.9.
A whole lot. So like I said, in IPA 43, 244,500 who be there. Items are total, the support in IPA 18. I was talking about the freezers and all that. Fridge freezers about 15 and sewing machines and all that. The amount of money involved was 121,000. Almost to empower them economically. NIPA and SIA almost also 18,000 in total. Educational support in NIPA 9 to the tune of 49,500. The support to the organization, the disabled society, and the executives were 9,500. Caregiver support in NIPA 4 to the tune of 7,500. And health and medical support in NIPA totaling 39,000.
Eni awuti ye eyonyonya for Emmanuel Obin Agyeman no ana ye DC edema Manchester Central na mani boying yensem trioni Barbara Cranton ana de besomye
we ne yenyina we so ne mo madwinkyere ne tew emfa so mo ewo yen Facebook no so na piaga dia ba no so ma ya ha no hwe live edi free achem asafo dia aka no enya dia meboso kra na Sandra Abeka ede aba na wo kire mu se Uncle Sam Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding also share life e free time free zone dear news tasty ankasa and ode aba na Richard ahwede aba na also ma ya ha o Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa edwumade amobosom Ghana na de ya de twam kura kasebo no ye loud and clear nam DJ Ghanaman fide ni so a na ye great station DLFM next ode ya se na edwumade a ye bo esom oman Ghana ochirim say o kasebo no ye na pobam ede ade kasen ene ode aka ho na Sandra abeka kura sa de aba na wo say in fact moya ye den kura na Lumba nsupa na de ye nyanom enukuto na ye nsupa o man Ghana moya number 1 water Ghana fo nyina gi atomu enti Lumba nsupa ye nsu ese obia enseke bia ewiai ono so ode abam na Asante man ode aba na so my how dear news in fact here live edi free Accra Medical Center or say Mr. President why don't you renovate the old ye block and save the money on say wiskan wanya dada no on say wiskan wo you mate na Asante aba na say ahimfo ni bi wo ho no man in fact amanyosem kwa na ohene so de amanyosem de edenti na be sa enya kurante ahimfo na moya amanyosem no montwe mo ho enfenfere ho na Kofi Parliament de aba na wose Ghana de enka yo memi Nyankopon akire ye pa nanso ede ne wo hian ohia nkwa ede ade a ohwe life edi free aguna Bobby Kuma apa na ode epa yem wi akasebo ne nyina wesine mu nukom say pon na san ye be kono Sikapa wo say birthday bi ho no body tew na yenko.
Happy birthday way Ekwama boss lady Beatrice way free a year mo president sanso ana members of more boss lady a year premium group nim and almost mo wish a very big happy birthday Nyankopon on sure na wanya okese no mo akoma so ade ni na embre mo say enjoy your day to the fullest. Na near this subion so no Ekwama a year boss lady Mavis way a belated happy birthday Anna Ekwama and draw Anna na your birthday into na year president and the members at the ma premium boss ladies na we show a very belated happy birthday boss lady Mavis Nyankopon sha na wanya okese no nyi wo mfra dumo enkwa dumo na won sha won sanu adwuma ni na emfa emma so happy belated birthday boss lady Mavis.
Boss lady.
Yeah.
Yo, that's it. Na Kofi Buamia na memfa wo de me wo fa se na me nsoro na adwa time na ya fa ni nyina. We happy birthday akwade ma Mrs. Dickness Dollars Kunadu Yapoa. Owo Kenya se Kumase ho nom na owo amehwe ni yi na se yesa na ese o makaka boma de na ye gwonwan bi wa asa no enti happy birthday to Mrs. Dickness Dollars Kunadu Yapoa Kenya se Kumase na wo na we everyone abo golf Godfather Amansia West District manso atobia se ne gogo no chire wende your birthday so mama happy birthday to you Mrs. Dickness Doris Kunadu Yapoa Kenya se Kumase na abutu enti wade nyina honabo Godfather Amansia West District no wo ewo manso atobia so asem se ne yemfa woda so konfama Kofi pictures menu nyaare ono awate enti Yankopon hira opana woda no onyane so kokra nkwatenten onyine kire ene Yankopon adwuma afa to ho so no yesire Yankopon hira mawo na onkoso amo ho ban epagya mfra domo enkwado happy birthday once again to you Mrs. Dickness Doris Kunadu Yapoa Kenya se Kumase na abutu we ye firi abo Godfather Amansia West District manso to biase na ufiri ene wose yemfa wo de sonko we no yemfa emawo samuel foro boaten ene de ba ya kasebo ne ye de semusefo ne ye Miss Mebel ntwene se mu ma yen champion ted ye kopie mu ewo Facebook ene fi YouTube makasebo no wonya bi ehwe yem sana me wo fa se market senso ya moral support ufia hanom na DJ Zigibi echinchim kesefrem fuma de somye se technical producer akenkafo yetu edi ameje so ye wofa ose ade ye de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ade bantwere bona na otafiri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yes so a na Adjoa seki na pamfo na betena se ede ya odwumadie no abesom ye mo nyina mu enitia ade hye
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra.